I am not painting today. I'm not posting paintings or drawings or articles or any of those things. I'm doing this. Hello. I am trying to stabilize the camera on a couch. This morning I woke up, which is good, and I had an old song that I'd written in my head from 10 years ago. It's pretty intense. I'm sorry, I can't make it stay still because I'm moving, so it's moving. We're all moving together. Anyway, now it's 2016 and I went back to my lyric book and looked at it and I'm like, holy heck, every time I revisit this song, it's like 5 years to the exact 2 weeks every single time. So that's kooky. I decided today that I was going to spend the day just with myself, experiencing my own expression for the sake of it, and it's been awesome. Well, I was playing this song and I ended up kind of rewriting it a bit, and now I've decided I'm going to play it to you. Huh.
Don't leave on account of me. You've got a much greater problem and it's spreading like disease. I bet you really wanna get the hell out of here before they see. You tried to fill your pockets up and then you realized you'd scrounged it all again. You fiend again, 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 again. Insects came to me seeking shelter from the rain. You used to love the sound of screaming. And don't you wish that everybody would say what was in their head? It would become a much clearer day then, much clearer than it has ever been before. No more lies, no more. There's no more lies, no more. And I won't cut in on your cunning plan, but you expect of me to be your right-hand man. I bet you see it, but I bet you don't believe that I will not lay flat for your demands. You tried to go a quick cover-up, and then you realized we'd caught it all again. You fiend again, 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 again. Seeking shelter from the rain. You used to like the sound of screaming. And don't you wish that everybody would say what was in their head? It would become a much clearer day then, much clearer than it has ever been before. There's no more lies, no more. There's no more lies, no more. There's no more lies, no more. gonna chase your ghost. I'm not gonna keep your name in my pocket. I'm not gonna chase your ghost. I am my own, you're gone and forgotten. No space for your light. I'm too aged for your light. No time for your light. Too aged for your light. Disgraced by your light. No time for those lights.
Howdy-ho. I have got no gosh darn idea why it is still so tricky for me to play my music. But every time that I do it, I'm glad. And that song was fun, even though it took me like 40 takes to make it to the end. So if you were here with me, then thank you very much. You're bloody awesome, and I'm out.